What's up, besties? Welcome back to another video.
Psych!
This shit forever. This shit forever.
What's up, besties? If you're new to my channel, thank you. I hope you subscribe. And if you're coming back, then I hope you fall in line. Anyways, you guys, so today, I have a really video that I've been wanting to do. Like, I've been wanting to do this video, but I just have not done the video. I've been had the stuff, but I have not put two and two together. So today, you guys, we're going to be doing a car video. So guess what? I'm going to see y'all in the car for this video. Okay, you guys, so I ordered some stuff off Amazon, but I'm joking, you guys. So I ordered some stuff off Amazon, but I'm gonna be ordering more stuff because I want to like doll her out. I want her to be all pink. However, I couldn't find all pink stuff. All right, I'm gonna shut up and just get into it. So I got these car mats. They're like pink and black. I have some seat covers. They're pink and black. I have these. I guess they like go like in these like little. Let me show y'all. I guess I'm gonna show y'all when I put them on. But I got these. They like for I guess like the AC vents. I got these. It said some for the seat belt, and then one for the little steering wheel thing. Okay, these are for the seat belts. So we're gonna be doing a whole lot of. And then these, I guess this for like the decorating, like the. I don't know. We're gonna be figuring this out. I guess this goes in like in the side of the windows, like right in here. We're gonna be figuring this out. Cause what? Okay, and these are definitely for the window things. Y'all know like the window. Yeah, my boy best friend will be getting on me so bad. He like, you don't think I know nothing, but I know everything. What are you talking about? And then this hangs on my mirror right here. A little mirror thing. And then cup holders for the cup holder, and this for that car part of the thing. I might just put it on that right there. And I got two of these. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna show you how my girl looking right now. I'm gonna have to show y'all the before and after. Don't get on me too bad, because I will get on you better, guys. So this is before. Like I don't. What is this? Let's just see what is this. What is this? A GPS tracker. You trying to keep up with me? Desktop and phone app. Somebody, huh? I don't know what that got to do with anything. Okay, and this dash cam, that's what's up there, but that junk. Okay, and then all this stuff on the floor, which I'm gonna need to clean up like right now, because I'm finna throw this away. So we're gonna do it before and after. You know, this is all the junk right there. Super duper junk. And I gotta change my mat. So I'm finna definitely get into it. Y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready, spaghetti. So I'm finna be doing my girl. Yeah. I cannot take myself serious right now. First, y'all, hold on. I cannot take myself serious. Let me get y'all set up somewhere. Whew. So first, I'm gonna start by getting all this trash out my car, because why is there so much trash in my car? I don't even drop my car. What? still stuck on this. Brick house security, live wire, hard wired GPS tracker, complete. Oh my God, what is that? Who finna be tracking me? Cause I'm not finna be having all that going on. That's one thing I'm not finna do. Ain't nobody finna be tracking me. Well, I guess cause I could be kidnapped. This is my trunk. But this dashboard thing that done fell apart. Well, it didn't completely fall apart. I guess I'll figure it out. So I'm gonna put this back up here. Alright, so while we doing this, I'm gonna give y'all a quick story time. So right about now in my life, I quit my job yesterday because first of all, they weren't paying enough. That's one. And then second of all, they was asking for too much. Like, I don't understand. I'm a senior in high school. Like, how can you want me to do all this stuff knowing that I have other obligations? Why? Because I'm a senior in high school. Like, and then my boy best friend, he don't be making nothing no better. All right, y'all. So I just put this back on here. I don't know if it's not gonna cut on right now, but it's covering the cameras on this one. Okay, I'm just leaving it up. I'm on the part of the up here. Fix that because I don't do stuff like that. Okay. Back to my channel if you're a subscriber, and join the fam if you're new. Okay, guys, let me be so for real. What's I got to do? I'm gonna get the other pillow like this from out the house and put this in here too, because I like that. Alright. Let's get into it. So first, I'm gonna start by doing the seat covers, but in the back seat. Because, yeah. Where'd that go? So just burnt my nose. Man, if this jump too difficult, it's gonna go back as fast as I got it. I don't think this goes in the back seat. This go in the front. I'm just gonna do this because this gotta be on the back. These the head things. Okay. What is this? Bro, I'm finna have to dismember these seats to do this. Bruh. Okay, so we're gonna start with the back. Install rear back Install rear back cover. Pull skirt through middle crevices. There's violence.
Anyways.
Well, how do you know which one is what? I'm guessing this is.
Every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit.
Okay, YouTube, I'm back. I put in these seats, but I didn't put them in because I'm so pissed off. I just came from like I'm not gonna say just came. I'll just say about 30-40 minutes ago. I went up there to AutoZone because I was not gonna do it. Like I was pissed off because I couldn't get it to work. Like it just wouldn't. Two and two wasn't going together. So I go up there. The man, so I'm like, since I'm up here, I'm just going ahead and ask him about this fuse situation that I've been trying to work on for a minute. So the man, he pull out the fuse. He like, okay, so is this fuse? So I go buy the fuse with this $20 bill that my best friend gave me that I was trying to hold on to forever and ever for a memory because he just gave it on. I just wanted to have it as a memory. I spent that on a fuse, and tell me why that wasn't even the thing that was having my lights on. So that just made me, okay, that pissed me off. And then he didn't even help me put my seat covers in. I had to still come back and do that. Y'all, it's dark. You remember when I got started with this video? It was light, and now it's dark, and I'm still working on it. However, y'all, I think I did a pretty good job. They said basically that I have to take those seats in the back out and then put them back in the car. So I'm not finna do that. That jump just almost just made me cry because I don't know how to take out no seats. I am not no man. And I'm not saying girls can't do everything man do, but why am I finna do something that I know a man can do? Like, you know, that probably sounds stupid. So that look good to me. That look pretty good to me. Until I can get somebody to take them out and put it back in. Anyways, y'all, so the front seats, I like how it look. It's definitely giving pretty. I put the pink and black on this side because, yeah, I put a little pillow in the middle. And yeah, I'm finna now put in the accessories. Y'all, I don't wasted so much time. But I'm gonna keep going because I love it and I love y'all. Psych. I love y'all though.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Run around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these reckons too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Keep this follow my 100 years.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna
Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys. So now I'm gonna put these mats in. So it gave me 2 for the front and 2 for that edges here. And that's what I'm gonna put in the car. I'm gonna keep this simple because my feet be dirty. I mean, I feel bad for just throwing it out. Really? I guess, child. I'll put this on. Here. I'm gonna put those mats in my trunk. Boom! Boy, get the fuck. That joke just almost pissed me out. Okay. Because the other side looked like that, I think I'm just gonna put that on top. I think I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side too, because I don't really like that. I don't really like that. Cause my watch, oh wait, my heart beating faster than stopwatch. Stopwatch.
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch.
Okay, you guys, so if you want to know where I got this little whole little set from, it's on Amazon. I will put the link down below in the description. That's cute. What y'all think? I like them. Cute little cup holders. And now I have these. Let me make sure my door is closed. Somebody pull up on me. Be like, I want some of that Zah. I want some of that Zah. Okay, anyways, y'all. So now I'm gonna open this and see what this is. Cause
made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open.
this one is serious thing.
Everybody trapping, we get lost.
Yeah.
Everything got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion.
That one is serious.
But if we get the out, we gotta slow.
What's this? No, I'm not even opening that. Alright, I'm back, you guys. And I have Jacob. He's on the floor. He's currently on the floor. And I have a better setup. Alright, Jacob, you want to get up here? He wanted to say hey to the camera, you guys. Say hey, Jacob. Hi, you guys. I'm the cute pup. Alright, so I just went and got the scissors and me a chocolate bar. And some chocolate in my system. No, I don't have no chocolate. I have these. I'll measure it out. My finger. Come on now, Jacob. Okay, you guys. So I just got done. Let me show y'all what I just did. I put these on here, and I did that little thing in the door over there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So I'll be back this side. Jacob, this ain't about you.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna.